Hello everybody. Good day. First of all, take my salam bidya upon all of you. At present, we are going to practice about by. By that means dara diye korti. By is a preposition. So let's get started making sentence.
কথা প্রসঙ্গে
By the by.
প্রসঙ্গত
By the way.
এতক্ষণে
By the time.
হঠাৎ
By sense.
ধাপে ধাপে
By stage.
মোটামুটি
By and large.
তুলনায়
By contest.
মুখস্থ
By heart.
স্বভাবত
By nature.
রাতের বেলা
By night.
কোনো ক্রমেই না
By no means.
সর্বত্রভাবে
By all means.
যতদূর সম্ভব
By far.
যেভাবেই হোক
By hook or by crook.
উপায়ে বা মাধ্যমে
By means of.
না বুঝে মুখস্থ করা
By rote.
পালাক্রমে
By turns.
কলমের এক খোঁচায়
By a stroke of the pen. Thanks for watching my video. May Allah bless you. If I made any unintentional mistake, please pardon me. Allah Hafiz.